we will show you how to withdraw our daily rewards. When you log in inside of your Mavie Back-office, you go on a section My Hubs. On the top right corner, you have available balance. Click button Withdraw. We put the amount of coins that we would like to withdraw. Final check. Please make sure that the wallet you are adding is capable of receiving ULX on a Ultron blockchain. I double check everything and all the payment details. Withdraw funds. Now we need to import our two-factor authentic. On your email, you will get verification code. Submit. Success. Your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted and processed. Close. Now let's take a look inside of our MetaMask. We refresh the page. Here we have one WULX that we withdraw. Now we go on ultronswap.com, where we can exchange. Here we have from WULX to ULX. We will exchange WULX to ULX. One, and we swap. We confirm the transaction. Transaction submitted. Now let's go on a swap section. Here we can swap ULX for USDT. For one ULX that we swapped before, we will get 0.13 USDT. Click swap. Now we need to confirm the transaction. Now we know how to swap WULX to ULX. Now we can provide liquidity, now we can stake, or we can bridge ULX to other chains. Thank you very much and see you next time.